Okay, let's keep going. So question 4 says determine the value of k given that 5x plus ky equals 2 and 2k plus 1x plus 2y equals 4 never intersect. Now this bit is really important, so I've links in this simultaneous equation. Never intersect. Well, if you draw a line, alright, let's draw our axis. Now I'm going to draw a line. Now for a line not to intersect this line, it must be parallel, alright? It must be the same slope and be parallel, or you can have the same slope and be the identical line. When you say, well, what do you mean by that? Then it's the same line. Yeah, it is. But it might be in the form 2x plus 2y equals 12 and x plus y equals 6. So you might be given those two lines. Well, if you divided this all by 2, everything by 2, you'd get that. So they're actually the same line. So if it says they never intersect, it means they're either the same line, in which case, if you were doing simultaneous equations, there would be infinitely many solutions, or they're parallel, in which case there are, if you're doing simultaneous equations, no solutions. But in this case, we don't really have to worry about all that. That's just a bit of a review. What we have to worry about is the fact that they say they never intersect. If they never intersect, it means same slope. That's what it's saying. And that's what you do in these questions. Work out what it's really saying. So if it's the same slope, and k, can't we just find the slope of each and equate them and hope that k is in there? Yeah, let's do that. How do we find that? Well, we're going to put these two lines here into slope-intercept form. Yeah? How do we do that? Alright, rearrange these equations. So we get 5x plus ky equals 2. So ky is going to equal 2 take 5x, and y is therefore going to equal 2 take 5x. All divided by k, the whole thing, alright? Which equals, remember that actually equals negative 5x on k divided by k plus 2 divided by k. So what's your slope in this case? Slope is a bit in front of the x, so your slope is going to equal, in this case, negative 5 on k. So that's that one. What about the other one? Let's use a different colour. So we've got 2k plus 1, x plus 2y equals 4. I'm going to try and get 1, so I'm going to do 2y equals 4 outside of 2k plus 1 x. So take that from both sides, then I'm going to divide everything by 2, which is going to give you 4 outside of 2k plus 1x divided by 2. Alright, so y is going to equal 4 over 2, take 2k plus 1 x over 2. Alright? Now you're saying, what is the slope? Again, it's all of this bit in here. Yeah? This divided by 2, you can either divide this part by 2 or that part by 2. It doesn't really matter. So I am allowed to say that the slope is negative 2k plus 1 on 2. Alright, so the slope is going to be negative 2k plus 1 all over 2. So how am I going to solve that? Well, I'm going to get negative, I'm going to equate these slopes now. I'm going to get negative 5 on 6 is going to equal negative, I've got 2k plus 1 all over 2. And then I'm going to multiply, cross multiply. I'm going to get negative 10 equals negative 2k plus 1 times by k. Alright. Now I've got to do multiply through. It's going to be negative 2k squared plus k. It's going to equal negative 2k squared take k, because I'm multiplying through by negative 1 here. So I'm going to erase some of this. Forgotten that. What was it? 10 equals negative 2k squared. What was it? Take k plus 1, something like that. I can't remember what it was. But whatever it is, alright, now you've got something in the form ax squared. You can get it in this form, plus bx plus c equals 0. Alright? So you can get it in that form by moving stuff around, changing constants, getting the constant onto this side, get it equal to 0. Then what you do is you go to your calculator and chuck in those numbers. So go menu, and then go equation, and you find the solver there. So if I can actually get that up for you, show you what you need to be doing there. So fx, put this up. All right. Next. All right. So it's going to bring it up. Sorry about the wait. But when you get a quadratic, don't be worried. You don't have to factorize. You can just do this. Go to equation. So in menu, we go to equation. If you're not in menu, just push the menu button. Then you go to equation. Go enter. And you want to go polynomial. It's a degree 2 because it's x squared. And then you just type in your numbers. So say we had 2, and I don't know what we have. But so we had 2x squared plus 3x. Take 5 equals, delete, do that. So plus 3x, enter, take 5 equals 0. So execute and go solve, which is F1, and it gives you the 2 answers. So x equals 1 or x equals negative 2.5. And there are your 2 answers to that. Alright, so that's not the answer to this question because I didn't know what the quadratic was, but that's how you do it. Alright, let's go back and see how much time we've got left on the video. I don't know. So let's go back and do a bit on question 5 now. Question 5 is not too bad. Question 5 is axis intercepts. Alright, so axis intercepts. Yay! This student's going to do 1, part A. Axis intercepts. So y-intercept is when x equals 0. X-intercept is when y equals 0. Yep, so finding the axis intercept is the top one. Let's find the y-intercept is when x equals 0, so it's going to be 5 by 0, take 1 over 3. And please write this, so write x-intercept so I know what you're doing, x-intercept. So that equals 5 by 0 is 5, so equals negative 1 over 3. So that point is going to be when x equals 0, is negative root 0 and negative a third. The y-intercept, of course, it's when y equals 0, so you can go 0 equals. And then we're going to get 5x, take 1 on 3. Of course, times both sides by 3, 0 times 3 is 0, so we're going to get 0 equals 5, take 1, 1 equals 5x. So x is going to equal 1 and 5. So our point is going to be 1 and 5. Then we've got 2 points. We draw our axes. And we draw our line. So we've got 0, negative a third, which is about there. No, sorry. Put it in the wrong spot. Beautiful. 0. Let's draw this straight. Alright, so we've got 0, negative a third, and we've got a fifth and 0. 0, negative a third. 1 fifth, 0. And we go to done. Beautiful. Alright. Not too hard. Okay. Hope that helps. Bye bye.